Qualify as an HGV driver. This video takes you through the 6 steps for becoming a qualified HGV or LGV driver. Remember, this is only a guide and the process will vary depending on your current level of driving qualification and the license you are aiming for. Step 1. Before you start learning to drive a truck, you need to get your provisional license. To do this, order a D2-D4 application form from the government website. When it arrives, complete the D2 application form, then arrange a medical. Whoever does your medical will complete the D4 form with you. This proves you are fit to drive. Send your D2 and D4 forms off and wait for your provisional license to arrive. Step 2. Now prepare for your theory test. You can practice by using online apps or revise using books. Check if you are ready by doing mock theory tests online. When you are ready, you can get your theory test booked. Step 3. Now you're ready to take your theory test. There are 2 modules on the theory test. Module 1A is a multiple choice test, and Module 1B is the hazard perceptions test. Depending on your circumstances and what license you want, you might also need to do an additional module, Module 2 CPC case studies. You take the theory test at a DVSA test centre, and you'll get instant notification on whether you have passed. If you pass, you are now ready to start your practical training. If you fail, you can book a resit. Step 4. Once you've passed your theory test, you can start your practical driver training. This is 1 or 2 weeks training with a qualified instructor at a driver training school. The length of time depends on what license you're doing. You will learn how to drive a large goods vehicle both at the training centre and on the open road. When you complete your training, you're ready to take your test. Step 5. Take your driving test. The test has 2 parts, Module 3A, which is the off-road reverse manoeuvre, and Module 3B, which is on-road driving. If required, you will also do Module 4, the practical safety demonstrations. You'll get instant notification of a pass or fail. If you fail, you can request another test through your training school or centre. If you pass, your examiner will inform the DVLA, and you'll be sent your upgraded licence in the post. Once you're qualified, the 6th and final step is to complete a few necessary tasks. Apply for your digital tachograph card, wait for your upgraded licence and drive a CPC card which will arrive in the post. Congratulations, you're now ready to work as an HGV driver. This video provides an overview of the steps you need to take to become an HGV driver. It's important to remember that the training process can vary depending on your previous driving experience and qualifications, and also the type of HGV licence you want. For more detailed information, visit the government's website. You should now understand what is involved in training as an HGV driver. If you would like to go ahead, please get in touch with TRS today.